You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the red subscribe button, and there's a bell beside the subscribe button. Click on it. It's a notification bell. Click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button, all right, and then that's the cap, so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Click on all so that you get to see all the videos I upload. All right, so in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a beautiful bag, tote bag, handbag, shopping bag. All right, so we'll be using this leather material to for this particular project. All right, so now, and the measurement is 13 inches by, the wideness is 13, while the length is 27. Okay, so 13 by 27 inches. Okay, so this is the hand. So we're using 17 inches. So get your material and use a matching color of webbing strap. All right, belt, tape, or webbing strap. All right, that's the name. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I will make sure that the bag, I mean this very material, is equal. So if any side is not equal, you make sure you trim it. So what you do next is you're going to fold it into two equal parts this way, right? And then come to the downside, the two angles, measure 2 by 2 inches. Okay, 2 by 2 inches. Okay, so mark it 2 by 2 inches on both sides and cut it off. So this is what we have, right? Now the next thing is I'm going to be fixing my handle. So I'm folding it inside like this. So I'll measure like 3 inches and all right, so let me talk about my, but before then let me just show you how to fix this. So you also measure 3 inches on this side. And the next thing you do is fold it like this and bring it up, bring it out. Wow, so this is what we have. You do the same thing to this other side. But before then, let me talk about my Telegram class. If you would like to join my Telegram class, whereby you'll be privileged to learn how to make different fashion bags, school bags, lunch bags, purses, offering bags, and so many others, and you learn also how to measure bags. All right, so like this, I'm going to be showing you how to measure your souvenir bags and how to measure other bags. Okay, and you have the privilege of asking me any question when it comes to bag making and how to sell and how to market it. All right, so it's not free. Once you come, if you're interested, call or WhatsApp me on 080-365-88365. All right, so if you're interested, I will tell you the price, all right, on my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp number. Once I tell you the price, the training is on Telegram. So if you're interested, WhatsApp me on the number I just mentioned. So if you're not in Nigeria, you can add +23, all right, to the number. So +234-80-365-88365 is the number. All right, so please like the video, like this video, share it with friends, all right, and please watch the advert that YouTube will be placing in between the videos. And for other content creators, always watch their adverts. All right, so thank you so much. All right, so let's get back into our video. So you also do the same thing by fixing your hand to this. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'll do it this way and top stitch. So I also top stitch the other side. And top stitch it. Top stitch the other side. So this is what we have. I'm gonna turn it and see what we have now. All right, so let me quickly fix this. Okay, this is called Velcro. Okay, it's called Velcro or magic tape. So here the local name is magic tape. Okay, yes, is it magic tape? Yes. So I'm going to be fixing it to this side and this other side in order to clip it. All right, so this is what we have. So let me show you. So you can use it as a shopping bag and so many others. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Like this video if you're yet to like the video. Thanks to all my subscribers. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel. If you're interested in my Telegram class, call or WhatsApp me on +234 80365 88365. I'll tell you the price. You have a lot to gain in my Telegram class because you have a one-on-one discussion with me. You can always call me, you can always chat with me. All right, so see you. Bye bye.